In today's talk, I'm going to be addressing this idea of immortality and how to access the essence, the feeling of immortality, which is vitality in this lifetime, with the key being fearlessness. And what I've found in my work as energy medicine practitioner is that when the body is in chronic fear, the energy field, the auric body, which is usually like 5 or 6 feet stretched around the body in all directions like an egg shape, it comes in as close as it can to the body, and then in sickness and chronic illness it starts to concave, it starts to go in, and degeneration occurs. So some way to access vitality and a sense of immortality is to start to dissolve fear, which isn't easy to do. To dissolve fear in the tissues has to do with reprogramming the nervous system, assuring the tissues that it's safe, and by remembering that not only am I this human body and this personality, but I am this quantum being, I am this soul essence, I am taking up all of this physical body and claiming also my energetic body all around myself, and knowing that this magnetizes in frequencies that are high. So even if there are low frequencies still here in this earth realm, as long as my field is expanded, I am also protected by this field, and it becomes a magnet for angelic frequencies and protective, benevolent frequencies, so that the more that we practice expanding this field, the more benevolence shows up in our field. Now, as you start to practice expanding the field, there can be things that happen because we're moving beyond trauma imprints. Trauma imprints happen within the energy body, and say I'm been traumatized and now this is where my energy body feels safe, and I go a little beyond that. Something might happen that's similar to that trauma imprint to give you an opportunity to pave a new pathway to go, oh, I am safe though, I'm gonna expand just a little bit more. What can happen though is a contraction back in, or even deeper in, like, oh, it's really not safe to open. But know that as you start to expand, there can be things that arise in your physical reality as kind of like a test, or what I've been told, another word for this is a threshold guardian. Just say, are you sure you're ready to proceed a little bit further beyond your comfort zone? And the answer is yes, because that is what we've come here to do, is to expand beyond our DNA imprints, to heal our genetics, and to realize, to self-realize in this lifetime the quantum being that we are. So I'm going to lead us into a little meditation today. It's just going to help us to start to soften the nervous system, and especially if there's any situations that arise that trigger fear or contraction or worry in the tissues, in the solar plexus, to breathe and expand and to continue practicing claiming your whole auric field, claiming your magnetic body, claiming that as you claim this space, this field, a heaven can arrive to you. Okay, so let's close our eyes and get comfortable, feeling your hips meeting your seat. And just start to relax, start to notice where you can soften your jaw, your face, your scalp, your neck, your shoulders. Just assuring yourself it is safe to relax. You can even say that out loud. I'm safe to relax. It's safe to relax. Finding your breath, and which with each exhale, just softening, relaxing a little bit more. With each inhale, you're scanning through the body. With each exhale, you're softening the tissues, softening your muscles. arriving here a little bit more with each breath. And now with each inhale, we're going to start to imagine that the breath is expanding, that there's energy, vitality, expanding through all the way out to your skin, to the edge of your skin. And as you exhale, there's an unwinding happening to allow you to really fully arrive here in your hips and your body. As you inhale, your presence, your energy is expanding to your skin. And as you exhale, you're softening, you're arriving. As you inhale, this time expanding your awareness just a little beyond your skin, maybe just right about here, a few inches away from your skin, all the way around your body. As you exhale, you're arriving, you're landing. You're claiming safety now. You're claiming that you are a magnet. I'm a magnet for benevolence. I'm a magnet for good. Inhale, expanding just a little bit more this time. I'm claiming my life. I'm claiming my energy. I'm claiming benevolence. I'm claiming good, angelic frequencies surrounding me. Exhale, arriving, unwinding. Inhale, you're expanding. Even a little bit more than you ever thought possible. I'm claiming the space that I am. I'm claiming my life. I'm imagining what it is to live without fear, to live expanded. And as you exhale, you're just arriving into this frequency of all is well, all is working for my good, all is directing me into the current of alignment. Inhale, expanding a little bit more. What might it be? Just to feel, just to experience 5 feet around your body, all the way around your head, all the way under your body, just fully supported by this enclosed auric field, this egg shape of energy. Back side of your body, sides, front, top, bottom, sealed, protected. Exhale, you're just arriving, you're landing here, feeling yourself completely held, that you've gotten to here, you've gotten to this point. And just what might it be to declare with each breath, with each moment of life, that I am safe, I'm completely supported. Everywhere I am, angels are. I can soften, I can relax, I can arrive, I can expand, I can take risks, I can have fun, I can do something different, I can leap beyond who I think I am, I can make best use of this life, I claim this life now. I open to divine synchronicity. I am aligned. And exhaling, arriving into this frequency of being held, being completely supported. Inhale, expanding, claiming your space, feeling yourself full. The lightness that you are, the essence that you are, the soul that you are beyond this body and within this body. Claiming this body, claiming the intelligence that you are to penetrate into these cells, to unwind the nervous system. Breathing, allowing yourself to receive. You can come back to this at any moment in your day with your breath. When you feel yourself contract, when you feel yourself concave, when you feel your gut sinking, this is your energy contracting in, and you just consciously breathe it awake, breathe it open. Keep claiming I am safe. I am safe to open. I am safe to be here. I'm completely protected. As I open, as I declare my safety, it is so. And little by little, gradually or suddenly, you will notice that this is true. That this is true. So thank you for practicing with me today. And I'd love to meet with you one-on-one or in one of our upcoming groups. So be sure to reach out and find out when those are happening so that we can meet our frequencies together, meet our energies together, and amplify the power of this work. I'm Destiny Love.